Hi, I'm Alana, and I'm going to teach you how, about my dog, Whip. And Azzy, she just wants to be here to get a treat. Well, Whip, I know you want that treat, but you still don't have to do the head signal. I taught Whip how to do a head signal, and he wants a treat, okay? And so he knows how to dance, but he doesn't know that he does. So I'm going to have Azzy dance and Whip play dead. Okay. Azzy. Azzy, come on, get it. Get it, Azzy. Come on, girl. Good girl. That's my baby. What? Come here. Then Whip. He's gonna play dead. What? Come here. Come Whip. Come here, Whip. Come here. Come here. Sit. Lay. Lay. No. No. Lay. Lay. Whip. Lay. Bang. No. Whip. Lay. Bang. Whip. You're dead. Bang. Anyway, good boy. And there's just the tricks. Whip, say bye. Handshake, shake. No, shake at the camera. Whip, shake. Shake, shake, Whip. Shake, come on. Good boy. Azzy. Good girl. Bye. Subscribe.